Good evening, this is Jan. Welcome to my kitchen. I'm gonna make some Thai food. This is gonna be shrimps and asparagus. And here are the stars of the dish. This is 350 grams of shrimps plus 350 grams of green asparagus. First, the preparation of the asparagus. Well, what people always say, like, you don't use this part because it's too hard. Well, I tried it and it tastes great. So I'm going to use all of the asparagus. Just have to cut them in threes, I think. Something like this. And they're ready to be cooked. Plus, I need a couple of red chilies for extra spice. Olive oil in a hot wok. Straight in with the asparagus. Just go. A little bit of black pepper. The smell of the garlic and the asparagus is incredible already. Gonna throw in the chilies. And the shrimps as well. I put everything on a low heat and I'm gonna mix in the sauces. First, oyster sauce. Quite a lot. I love oyster sauce. Fish sauce, salty stuff, maybe too much in that, and soy sauce. Plus a little bit of flour root and some white pepper. Some more oyster sauce for more flavor even. Plus a little bit of water so that the sauce is not too thick. Shrimps have turned pink and the green asparagus are still very green. I almost forgot to put some basil on top. This is the cream of the crop. Got my spoon and my fork. I'm ready to eat. I think this is gonna be nice because asparagus are one of my favorite vegetables, and shrimps, after all, are my favorite animals. So, gonna start with the shrimp. I just have to get rid of the shell and the tail. Well, that's very easy. Oh yeah. Now that shrimp is juicy. A little sweet even. Perfect. Let's try the sauce. Oh yeah. Salty. The asparagus, they're perfectly cooked. I'm a big fan of asparagus. Especially with oyster sauce and shrimps. Nice shrimps. By the way, I put some basil as a decoration and for extra flavor. Yeah. Fresh basil. Never overcook your asparagus. Never overcook your shrimps. That sauce is very salty. It's basically oyster sauce. Yeah, the soy sauce and the fish sauce. A very Thai kind of style sauce. It's perfect with the garlic and the chilies. And the shrimps. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. And remember, keep on enjoying your food like I do.